another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing on PC. And in today's video, I will show you how to master align tools in CapCut video editing on PC. Okay, so let's for instance this particular clip on my timeline right here. I decided to align it to some certain area. So I'm going to go ahead and scale down more. Now this particular clip right here, and I decided to align to the left side. And for that, what we want to do here is to come to the align panel right here where you have align to the left. So when you click on align to the left, it moves left right here. You can decide to align to the left top. Okay, and for that, what you want to do is to click on this particular one right here, align top. So it's get to the top. Now if you decide to align to the center, come back right here, align center. So you can decide to align vertical center. So what you want to do is to from here, align middle, just like so. Then you can also decide to align to the bottom. So let's take it down to the bottom. You can take it back to the previous position, which is align center right here. So click on that, and it will move the video to align center, and it will be. It's that simple. So you can align your video in any angle of choice in CapCut on PC. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use CapCut on PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you